billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are making easy potato pakoras. It is very easy recipe, very yummy recipe. Inshallah you will like it. Before starting the video, I request you to please like, share and subscribe to the channel and also share it with your friends. So let's show you how we made this potato pakoras. I hope you will like it. First of all, we will add 3 medium-sized potatoes cube-shaped into a bowl. Then we will add 2 medium-sized onions chopped. Then after that we will add 100 gram green cabbage sliced. After that we will add half teaspoon paprika powder. It is optional. Half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. 1 teaspoon salt. And 1 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and you have to squeeze half lemon. Now we will add 50 gram green coriander. Then we will add 2 green chilies chopped. We will mix it well. Then we will add half teaspoon black pepper powder. Now we will add 1 cup chickpeas flour. We will mix it well. Now we will add 1 egg. We'll first mix it well, then add it. Now we will add 2 tablespoons flour. Then we will add water gradually, maximum 3 tablespoons, and we'll mix it with the hand. Then we will keep it and marinate for 5 minutes. Now we will take a fry pan and add some oil in it. Then we will take an ice cream scoop and put the pakoras with the help of it, and we'll fry them till they become golden brown. We'll keep adding, and now the color has changed into golden brown, so we'll take them out. You can see they are looking crispy and good. And for kids you can add cheddar cheese in it, they will like it with that. So we'll add cheddar cheese in the remaining of the mixture and mix it well. Then now we will take the cheddar cheese mixture with the potatoes and all and add it into the fry pan with the help of scoop. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our potato pakoras recipe is ready. If you like our recipe, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also share it with your friends. Inshallah we will meet with you with another recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.